In shadows deep the faithful fled, with trembling hearts by hunger led, through forest wild and jungle bare. They carried hope through whispered prayer. The night was long, the silence wide, no roof above, no friend beside. Yet still they knelt and softly cried, and Mary heard their aching sighs. O Lady of Lavon, so gentle, so near, you gathered the scattered, you silenced their fear, you healed